I just got my Causebox in the mail, and I'm so excited. This is one of the subscriptions I thought of canceling since I'm unemployed with the pandemic right now. But then I forgot about how great it feels to get this in the mail. So let's see what's inside. Oh, did I get it all? More tape. I love the boxes. They're great for putting my quilt fabric in. So there's my Causebox. I have a box telling me about all the things that are in it and the companies that they represent, and the good that they do in the world. It's packed beautifully with this lovely sticker. I have a postcard by the artist of the box, Anna Koveses, and I know I said that wrong, but that will get mailed to a friend. Ooh. So this is a box of bowls, I think, and I've been looking forward to these because I love dishes. More than 130 million girls are out of school. This product supports Malala Fund, a nonprofit working to ensure every girl can learn and lead. Look at these beautiful bowls. My berries are almost in the yard, and I think they'd be so pretty in here. I can't wait till I can go pick them. So this one's a little green. This one's a light blue, and I think this one's a darker blue. I'm so excited about that. What else is in the box? So here is silicone stretch lids, which I'm also really excited about. We are a low-waste household with cloth napkins. We don't have many disposable things. And these are silicone lids that will stretch over the top of your bowls, so you don't need to use plastic wrap or foil or anything like that. So I'm very excited about those, because we are also a big leftover family. A Reed Diffuser white tea with ginger, constant fragrance. Each purchase gives back. So I'm not gonna do the scent today because I'm still recovering from treatments, and I'm a little sensitive to smells right now. But here is my white tea and ginger. I think I'll put this on the fireplace mantle in my sewing room, and it'll give it a nice aroma in there. Looking forward to that. Oh, there's still more. Wow, look at this. Okay. So I have Healing Balm, safe, smart, selective, sustainable. Apply liberally to dry or damaged skin, lips, and nails to aid in healing. Well, I have all sorts of cuts, scrapes, and burns, so this will be good, especially dry lips and awful cuticles. I have a PMD Smart Facial Cleaning Device, which will be great. And of course I got the pink because I'm pink. I think my sister got the teal one because I bought one of these for her too. Protecting Day Cream, an SPF 30 because I'm delicate and can't go in the sun. Very excited about that. And hyaluronic I can't pronounce that. Hydrating Serum. So this is a hydrating serum for my face. And then of course, a yummy box, which I love. So that's what's in the Causebox this quarter. And I think I'm gonna keep my subscription for a little while longer just because it makes me happy.